How to use Lyft Priority Pickup feature. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft Priority Pickup feature. In order to use the Lyft Priority Pickup feature, you could select it when booking a ride. So first of all, open up a browser, open up your Lyft application, then start driving. So for that, you need to go with the location. So what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and type in your address or a current location. So you need to do this before you book a car. So after you've actually done it, so now priority pickup gives you a faster pickup time at a slightly higher price. Now priority pickup may not always be available depending on how many drivers are nearby, and priority pickup gives you priority over other riders that you could get to your destination faster. So this way, likewise, to use a priority feature, you could go ahead and select the standard, or just go ahead and select your option. So you could go ahead and then select it accordingly. So this way you'll be able to use your Lyft priority feature. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.